Have you ever wondered how a whole forest can fit into a pot? Welcome to the captivating world of bonsai forests, a testament to human creativity and patience, where miniature ecosystems come alive in the palm of your hand. Intrigued? Well, you're about to discover how you can create your own bonsai forest. Creating a bonsai forest begins with gathering the right materials. You'll need a selection of bonsai trees, a shallow pot to house your miniature ecosystem, nutrient-rich soil to nourish your trees, and a set of tools for delicate pruning. Once you have all these materials, you're ready to start creating your bonsai forest. Now, on to the exciting part, the creation process. First things first, choosing the right trees is key. Look for species that naturally grow close together in the wild. This makes them ideal for a bonsai forest. Next, let's talk about planting. Begin by preparing your pot. Fill it with a good quality soil mix and then carefully plant your trees. The arrangement should mimic a natural forest, so vary the heights and positions of the trees. But the work doesn't stop there. Caring for your bonsai forest is a continuous process. Regular watering is essential, but remember, too much or too little can be harmful. Pruning is also crucial to maintain the miniature size and the forest-like appearance. And there you have it. With careful selection, thoughtful planting, and diligent care, you're on your way to cultivating a lush miniature ecosystem right in your pot. And voila! With patience and care, you've created your own bonsai forest. So, that's how you can create your own miniature ecosystem in a pot. We've journeyed through the enchanting world of bonsai forests, understanding their unique concept. We've explored the essential materials you'll need and delved into the intricate creation process. Creating these tiny, thriving ecosystems is not just a hobby, it's a testament to our bond with nature and our ability to nurture. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of bonsai, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.